Let me show you two methods of inserting pictures into your Microsoft Excel. The method one is if you want to insert a picture like passport. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to highlight the number of cells where the passport will be, and then I go to home, I go to format. I want to increase the row height. I want to change this one to, let's say, 26. Okay, and then I'll go back again, go to format and increase the column width. So I'll change the column width to 26 too. All right, I would like to increase the row again. I'll go to format again. I'll change it from that 26 to maybe 40. Okay, so it can contain, it's still not okay with me, but let me change this one to, like, let me change the row height. Let me change the row height to 60. This should do. Very good. Now I'm going to insert. I'll click on picture. Here I'll bring the picture and then I'll insert. So I will have to reduce the size of this picture. I'll have to reduce the size of this picture to fit in. You see, now you understand why I was trying to increase the row height the other time. Okay, so if I'm still not okay with the row height, I'll increase it. So for this particular one, instead of now bringing in another picture and then I will need to resize the picture again, I'll just copy the particular picture I have resized. I'll bring it into the second row. So I'll right click on it to change the picture so that I won't have to keep resizing a bigger picture again. So I'll bring in another picture. Let me bring this one, and even if I will need to adjust anything, it will be just small. Can you see? So it's unlike the first one that I had to resize the big picture. So that's method one. Method two of how to insert your picture to your Microsoft Excel is you go to this insert. All right, you go to shapes, pick any shape of your choice. Any shape of your choice. I want to pick this heart shape. Then you draw it the way you want it. All right, so you right click on it, you click on format shape, you go to picture or texture fill to your right. Okay, and then I already selected this picture before, and that is why it's showing. So let me show you the proper way to do it. After clicking on picture or texture fill, you click on file, and then you go ahead to select the picture you want to insert. Can you see that? So I'll do it again for another picture. I'll insert another shape entirely again. Okay, let me select this particular shape. Okay, then I'll right click on it, format shape, picture or texture fill. I'll click on file to pick the picture I want to insert, and then I can click on this one and insert. Let's close this place so you can see. Can you see? So that is how that, and those are the two methods you can use to insert pictures in your Excel. This one, most times it works for people that might want to insert passports, and that is why I showed you how to increase your row height and your column width first to fit in properly. You can increase it, just test run it to see the size, the the row height and column width from this place under format. All right, see you in my next video.